सभी को राधे राधे। क्लास 10th के प्यारे बच्चों, पॉलिनोमियल्स का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन जो आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में 1 मार्क्स का आता है। देखते हैं इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है और इस क्वेश्चन का सही ऑप्शन क्या है। क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, द ग्राफ ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल ax² + bx + c इज गिवन, देन वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन 1 out of 4। सबसे पहले this is a quadratic polynomial. Why this is quadratic polynomial? Because the highest power of a variable is 2. Now look at the concept. What is the concept behind this? You all know that the graph of a quadratic polynomial is of the U shape and it is called as parabola. The shape of this curve is parabola and the path traced is parabolic path. Now see, if the face of parabola is upward, if the face of the parabola is upward, then a is greater than 0. If the face of the parabola is downward, then the a is less than 0, then the value of a is less than 0. Now observe here, if the graph cuts here in positive side of y-axis, then c is always greater than 0. If the graph cuts the y-axis on the negative side or downward, then c is less than 0. Now tell me, face is upward, hence a is greater than 0. Here the graph cuts at positive y-axis, so c is greater than 0. Now see here, the face is downward, a is less than 0. Graph cuts on positive y-axis, c is greater than 0. Here the graph is downward or the face of the parabola is downward, so a is less than 0, and it cuts the graph on the negative y-axis, so c is less than 0. Now come to the question, what is the face of this graph? Downward. What is the face of this graph? Downward. If it is downward, then a is less than 0. Now it cuts the y-axis on the positive side, then c is greater than 0. Now select your answer. A is less than 0, c is greater than 0, hence option c is correct. This is the question, this is the concept used. Now जाते जाते एक बोनस पॉइंट ले लीजिए, x एक्सिस पर आपका ग्राफ जितनी जगह कट करेगा उतने उस पॉलिनोमियल को जीरोस होंगे. So the number of zeros of a polynomial depends on the number of times that particular graph cuts the x-axis. It means number of zeros is equal to degree of a polynomial. I hope you understood this concept. Utilize this concept. This question can be asked for 1 marks in your board exam. Thank you प्यारे बच्चों, राधे राधे.